Sunday. So I can't wait till Sunday. Because I can't function without the fatherly blessing. And everybody said, Anambra State, coordinator. Also, Cityboy. So, chief of staff, he is a captain. Oh, right. I appointed him, nominated him. Last minute. I don't know what happened. You know, I was not in the country when they passed that list. I had Dr. Nelly, for my partner, my brother, and a leader in the Cityboy movement. He's been in the since the age of this and then Mr. Alvin, someone from the state. We live in the same area. My family lives in the same area with him in London. He's into media and everything. So we're taking this beyond the border. This is my brother, my partner, chief of staff to the Cubana group, Mr. Martin.
And this is your son, ChiefPriest. Your son.
And your son, priest, was bringing you. I asked him to see out there, Samba, this is Yapatam. This is not whatever. This is our Columbia. So here I'm again here and come to
Obina. I want to first of all say thank you very much for your support to Uzodinma and to Nigeria and to youth and young people in Nigeria, especially in the southern region and the whole country as a whole. On behalf of the Cityboy movement, we want to present your recognition letter and appointment letter as the regional director of the Southeast for Cityboy. And on behalf of Cityboy, I want to say congratulations and thank you very much.
On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate, on your mandate, on your mandate we shall stand. We shall stand on your mandate. We shall stand. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate, on your mandate, on your mandate.